The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
How much time? Only hear me a go on so. Them there, cyberbullying and harassment, right there, so if you want to call it that, yeah, that a cyberbullying and harassment. This song now, why this song? More I know if I me think a bad mind alone. You know why me feel good about on reporting the song? Wanna give me the tell me some win. I only because I burn you why report here and sit in my G because it's bad and I want lesbian do it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, for those who might not know, Prettii did a song as somewhat of a response to a song that Macka did about her, you see me? And to my understanding, that song that Prettii did, to me, that's the first time I ever heard Prettii do a song. You understand? That's to my knowledge. You understand? I don't know about anyone else. But anyways, I just presented to you a piece of a live recording, right? And according to some of the things that Prettii said in the live recording, and according to some of the things that had been said about the live recording that's on social media, it is said that Prettii said that her song had been taken down from YouTube. You see me? Yeah. It is said that her song violates YouTube policies, you see me? Which is the harassment and bullying, you see me? I'm not sure if I really and truly say it as how it really is, but I'm just telling you to my understanding, you see me, about the song being removed from YouTube, you understand? So please bear in mind that it might not be word for word, you see me? However, you know, because this had happened, this is what I'm saying to you. Some persons on social media are talking about this whole thing, you see me? Some persons on social media are saying that Prettii song got taken down and how Macka song is still on YouTube. Same way when both of these songs are considered to be disrespectful towards each other, and that Macka released her song first and other things have been said. So as viewers and subscribers, this whole thing, it's been talked about on social media, I understand? And you know, I also have a video, you see me? This video is piece of an entire video that shows Macka and she responded to this whole thing where it is said that Prettii song had been taken down from YouTube. You understand? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you, and this is just a warning that some of the languages used in this video or some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look, listen and observe.
Hey, my girl, my boy, I never know if I call it. What you really say? My fans are flag your YouTube page. What you really say? My fans are flag your song. Stop tell lie, Virgin. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Nobody now do that. You understand? A coward I get coward, a cold feet I get cold feet, and you try to look excuse. You never expect this. I don't want to feel like say Macka want to be a normal person and I just act like me decent and I just decide say me I just want people to know the nice side of me and the while my music. So now we now see the next side of me. Everybody a panic. Everybody's telling people the truth, so I'm afraid to get afraid.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, the video that shows Macka talking about the Prettii song that got removed from YouTube, or basically responded to Prettii said that her song was taken down from YouTube. You see what I said? Now the next video that I'm about to present to you, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that the police within the parish of St. Thomas, that's of the country of Jamaica, had arrested a female, and goats that are said to be stolen was seen in a vehicle. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, I don't really have a lot of information about the video or the incident that happened, but however, this video is out there on social media. I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? It's not really a long video, but viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look. Alright, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And this video that I'm about to present to you is just piece of a video that's out on social media. And according to what I've said about this video is that this video shows when Prettii was doing her song or was at a studio doing her single. You see me? Now, to my understanding, it would seem as if this video is about Prettii doing the song that is said to be the song that had been removed from YouTube. That's to my understanding. I don't know about anyone else. I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? And, you know, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
All 32 me give to you.
Yeah, this is a Macka song release, so I think we need to respond.
Release? What the pussy clap?
We need to release it. We need to respond. That's it. That's it. Let's time to.
And then keep it funeral?
Let's give her a funeral.
Alright.
Don't say, text me.
You want to sing on her funeral?
Yeah, me I go do that. You know,
Funeral track.
I went to the house where I used to live.
Florida. We ain't in
The
Brazil.
grass
We
was
in
grown
Miami.
up and it covered the door. Someone across
isn't
the
it
street.
Amazing grace?
Say I know who you
How
see.
sweet
No, word sign.
the
Word
sound.
sign.
They don't live here anymore. Why? Macka is somewhere around the throne of God. Somewhere. Buckler, when you reach them, you have to broke up. Oh, somewhere you have to bring it from. We don't hear saying that. Bringing in your blood clot neck, knee back around here. You see me? Somewhere around the throne.
No, it's Amazing Grace.
Of God, fuck that.
It's
I thought she
Amazing
was
Grace.
singing somewhere over the
It's
rainbow.
Amazing Grace.
No.
We gotta pray for her. She about to get buried.
Somewhere I keep searching, keep on searching until I shall find her. Macka is somewhere around God's throne. God's yeah. Whoa, whopping a mama mouth corner when I then just fly gone left.
I haven't been so entertained. Yo, you better blow, because I haven't been this entertained in like a few months.
True, definitely.
You know, shit.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, me only there so to keep you up to date and posted. You know, make you know what's going on. See me, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. You see me, you can let me know what you think about this whole thing between Macka Diamond and Prettii. You can let me know what you think about the songs. You understand? And you can let me know what you think about the video, where it is said that the video shows a vehicle that the police within the parish of St. Thomas, that's of the country of Jamaica, found with goats in the vehicle. You see me? And it is said that the goats had been stolen. You understand? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall. Seriousskilla.